I have some breaking news for you guys. The biscuits are out of the oven. And there they are. And the verdict is, one second. What do you say, Mom?
They taste very good since I hadn't had bread for a month. They taste really good.
No, you have to say why you haven't had bread for a month.
Because they don't cook bread because they're healthy.
We did the whole 30 in January and we've not been doing bread here at the Minder Manor.
But you could leave them a little tiny bit longer.
And how long do you leave them in?
22 minutes. But
22
these are very
minutes.
Small, so if you make them bigger, you just keep looking at them to see when they're ready.
All right.
Okay.
Well, that was your live. Well, wait a second. I don't know how to get this.
A little bit browner on the bottom.
Sorry, y'all. That was your live update from Minder Manor.
Goodbye. Signing off from the
Betty.
Comedy Baton. Goodbye. We'll make
Have a
something
great
up
day.
another day.
God bless. And we may have another episode where Grandma Betty will cook
Stickies.
We'll see. Be on the lookout. Take care. Bye-bye.
They don't eat sweets either.
Well,
Surprise.
we will see stickies.
I'll have them all to myself.
We've had her trapped here for how many weeks?
A month, 30 days.
A month. She's been in our house for
30-day sentence.
She came to visit, and then the coronavirus hit. So here she is on the Eastern Shore of Virginia. So we'll send her back to North Carolina as soon as we can.
Living a luxury life. I have a chef. I just eat and sleep and sweep the floor and fold the clothes. That's all I have to do.
Except for baking biscuits. Have a great day. Love y'all. Bye-bye.